Hello students, let us continue the lesson, The Swan and the Princess. Let us recall the characters. Sudhodana, the king of Kapilavastu. Siddhartha, the prince of Kapilavastu. Devdatta, his Siddhartha's cousin. And the chief minister and four other ministers of the king. And the guard. These are the characters. Now this is an act. Here King Sudhodana was sitting on the throne and Devdatta, Siddhartha's cousin, enters with a guard, and they all thought that he had come with some complaint against someone. Now King asks, "What is it, Devdatta? Why have you come to me at this time?" Devdatta says, "Sir, the prince will not give me my swan. I want justice from you." The king says, smiling, "Be calm, Devdatta. Has Siddhartha taken your swan from you?" Yes, he had come to seek justice that Siddhartha would not be giving the swan to him. That he says that it belonged to the Prince Devdatta. Yes, the king smiling, he says, "Be calm." He asked Devdatta to be calm, and he asked whether Siddhartha had taken his swan. Devdatta, "Yes, sir, he has. I shot it and fell on the ground near the prince. He picked it up and said he wouldn't give it to me." Yes, the swan, he had shot it down, that went near Siddhartha's feet, and he says that Siddhartha would not be giving the swan to him. King says, "That's very naughty of Siddhartha. Go and call him." The guard bows and goes out. He ordered the guard to bring Siddhartha. Yes, he says that Siddhartha is very naughty. Now the third minister says softly to the fourth minister, "The prince is a good lad. He can't do a thing that's wrong." Yes, about Siddhartha, the ministers were talking about him. He's a good lad. Here the lad means boy. See, in English language, lad, the boy is also said as lad. So what do you call for girl? It is lass. Lass, lass. Yes, the fourth minister says, "I agree with you." The guard enters with Prince Siddhartha, who has a white swan in his arms. Siddhartha bows to the king. They sent for Siddhartha, and Siddhartha came to the court with the swan in his arms. He bows to the king. King asks Siddhartha, "Siddhartha, Devdatta says that you have taken his swan. Is that the swan which you took from him?" Yes, he was having the swan in his arms. He says, "Is that the swan? Was that the swan he took him from Prince Devdatta?" Siddhartha says, "Your Highness, Devdatta has complained about this swan, but it is not his swan, it's mine." Yes, Siddhartha says that it was not Devdatta's, it was his. Why he says like that? Let us see. Devdatta says, "No, Your Highness, it's not his, it is mine. I shot it with an arrow." Siddhartha is telling a lie, he says. Now king says, "Be calm, Devdatta. You say that the swan is yours because you shot it. Is that right?" Yes, the king clarified that the swan was shot by Devdatta, so that Devdatta was claiming that the swan belonged to him as he had shot it down. Yes, Devdatta says, "Yes, sir, that's quite right." King asks, "What do you say, Siddhartha? Why do you say that the swan is yours?" Siddhartha says, "Your Majesty, Devdatta shot this swan, but I saved its life. That's why it's mine." Yes, Siddhartha pleaded that the swan sought his protection. Yes, Devdatta defended his action by pleading that he had shot the bird and it belonged to him. But Siddhartha, what did Siddhartha say? He pleaded that the swan belonged to him as he saved the bird. He had rescued the bird and he had saved the bird. So the bird was his, he claimed. King, listen, Siddhartha. A Kshatriya can't give up what he has shot. Do you agree with him? Yes, Kshatriyas, when they shoot something, they will not give up. Yes. Siddhartha says, "Yes, I do, sir." but a Kshatriya can't give up a suppliant either. And he says, and when he says that Kshatriyas can't give up whatever they belong to them, at the same time Siddhartha also says that Kshatriya can't give up a suppliant. A suppliant means a person seeking someone humbly, seeking some help with someone. Yes, Kshatriya can't give up if a person comes to their help. This swan came to me for protection. I can't give it up. Yes, Siddhartha says that he pleaded that, saying that I had rescued it and I had bandaged it. It was bleeding. And so that I had protected the swan, so it belongs to me, he says. Devadatta says for this, Your Highness, this is injustice. I shot the swan, so it's mine. Yes, Devadatta again argued that the swan belonged to him as he had shot it down. Now, what happened? How the king gave the justice? Let us continue in the next class. Thank you.